Mama Akwaba wofre me Adwoa searching Mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Zenato Rollins, MP for Colin Clotty. What's he saying? Abujina Parker say, we are the death of Medra. Mona mo honest some judge kwasia we yantitindia hantanra or shepuno our parliament san shepuno aso dem. Ese omampi mua ekufado or your chief thief. O papa Rollins catch kufose or your tie. Most also ese nanado. Ni ribia wo wudada nanado no ku no wo emri bi atwem wo te parliament brana ku ekoso West Africa ha na mo minority from ye dede hey ku besi wo gal wo small girl we 17 na wo hwehwe wo say abani de wo see corrupt no ebe ma uprising be samba Ghana uprising be 79 na be samba Ghana wo papa de uprising ba na abu aman anya mo no me benefit so fully stations are wo small girl we bi edu be na why Ghana nya MP na
omo fa fact ma omba aboa we Jimmy for kwasia o ma me why we Jimmy eno kwa o. You see the type of people we deal with. What can some not to ho? Collins as a sanka NDC near or person or no bad eba bantano or then or no son of fact eba near company debut. Jimmy o mama me crasini and I wear boa when you time and no. I'm communication, I don't know. But you know the sad thing about that aspect of their communication. Okay, just say no mammy Jimmy and we got. I'm not need to be coin and I wasn't mammy Jimmy Meko. What we have done to Ghanaians and Ghana in a few months is when we will know. Because, Chairman, how do you tell me, say, you have a government, okay, that did not go for midterm review and ask for what? Supplementary budget. Because Sikebia Modema say onko diso apart from corona budget ya ye pass ya ansa na corona eba no na assess a president and sign coding parliament ekoji a new CI constitutional instrument in order to order people to what? Wear nose masks. Allow me to spend to buy scrubs. Let me buy Veronica buckets because it wasn't something we planned for. He had not gone for any supplementary budget till date until he left office. It is all person catch me say, hey, MP before they are not protecting the public purse. Yen ye protecting public purse. Yen ye jine Ghana home. Meanwhile, each budget ya uma Ghana for taxpayers de ma ubiano. Uko this say no san beje den supplementary. Dia was say Ghana. Hey, Akufo-Addo na Ghana yentumi ntodokono yento kobi. Ede NSS kakobu okosoro no. Onkoje supplementary budget. Sika e demand no wedi so. Enti it is still the same yense umidin. One will say up till now. Where share NDC ni bia wetumi aka kire say unsa yo moka cathedrals kebi 58 million. Da ube share NDC for Collins. We show we say 58 million no if Ghana coffers be with free buy they can't tell you. Do you know why? Because it's not Ghana's money. Yes, we gave a seed money with the land. Just like Rollins did when the Muslims wanted to build their mosques. But as to Ghana for taxpayers' money, Ako Cathedral, I dare any NDC person from Okuja Top Blockwa, John Dramani Mahama, and any stupid NDC follower say they should tell me which account that 58 million came from. They cannot tell you. They can't tell you. They cannot. But unfortunately, we have some lazy leadership in MPP, especially the communication side, who didn't do their work and wouldn't give a chance to people that could do the work and use their portfolios to stumble on everybody. So made this stupid NDC party put into Ghanaian brain and say, Yakofa Ghana is 58 million, they go to Amuna. Ghana is a sad country. Me say me waha. I'm in Ghana. I'm up on my friend Shraj. Chairman, what you mean? I'm up on frame Supreme Court. I want Mahama NDC or be or what NDC Mumba can't tell me say. Sika ye did 58 million oh no and you Ghana for Sika. They can't tell you which account it came from. Can I give you a concrete evidence? Mr. Bansa, can I please give you a concrete evidence? Yes, do you remember they summoned Kenoforiata for censorship? So I confess Kebu baby the Kotia Cathedral there. What did Okuta Tabloka say? The cathedral is my baby. Nesia se cross ano. Sa kwa siaka ka ure wenyeska adwene bone ye woni trimiti ne huntu me nyafe. Ana wa asa sabe adoroba asa akola asa juice wan sheda nko ne mu ye ne ye wo no. Ana wode nam Ghana no di Jimmy. Because he is the one that put it into people said, say, ya fagan the Sika 58 million, and you go to Amona. And MPP communicators sat down and watched these people peddle this stupid falsehood. And none of them said nothing. Today, I'm putting my name up. Any NDC member, NDC communicator, who can tell me where that $58 million came from, I will stop ever communicating online. They can't. Why didn't they prove it? It's not even 58 million, and the matter of fact is that the 58 million is not Ghana taxpayers' money. Let's get real with this thing. It's getting out of hand. We sit down and we allow morons who drag this country down to come and lie to us and tell us, say, they are the better alternative. May God forgive all of them. And the stupid Ghanaian youth who is not thinking straight, who think John Mahama is coming to put money in their fucking pocket, believe this nonsense. Where are we headed? Today, NDC is in power. They are still talking about 58 million who. And then when you ask them, where did the money come from? Show us the account that 58 million come from. They can't show you. Their aim is only one. Paint the party black till nobody can ever see the party again. And they are doing very well at that. And the reason why they are doing well is that somebody sitting at the MPP office doesn't like somebody like Felix Appiah who will tell the truth. They want people they can control like remote. Koka we no akoka. Komia we no akoka. One koka there, you are not part of us. That is the stupidity that is killing the MPP party today. Like I said, Kwesikitwa, I want you to show me which account of Ghana that 58 million came from. They cannot show you. But here they are propaganda they are winning. My heart bleeds so. Chairman, me, like I said, you might not like me. You might not like my presentations. But one thing that is for sure is that I don't come here to lie. But what I say, I only come here because I feel say, yeah, the NDC MPP, no, I say the D or minor general grache. So yes, me MPP ni, but me no, as you know me, say MPP ni yeah, man, maybe be boom with you. And pretty why maybe the reason why they wouldn't like me. Because how do you tell me, say, somebody was a president of Ghana